It was a long, really long climb.
मेरे को वर्ड ही याद नहीं आ रहा.
So this journey begins at the train station as always. We are traveling during a pandemic, so we had to take a lot of precautions. लेकिन Deutsche Bahn की service बहुत ही amazing है as usual. Trains काफ़ी खाली हैं and we are traveling to this nice small city called Kassel, जो हमने पहले देखी हुई नहीं है, but we came to know that it has a nice Hercules monument, so we thought we'll check it out, and this is that trip. We finally decided our route. We are here. So we are gonna start from this track and go all the way and check out the Castle Leeuwenburg, and after that walk all the way to the Hercules monument.
Very green and underrated city.
Behind us there is like this huge mountain, and on top of that mountain is a statue of Hercules. और हम लोग ये statue देखने के लिए यहाँ तक आए हैं, and I'm pretty sure that there's gonna be an amazing view from the top of that castle. Let's go upstairs and see if we can climb all the way to the top. I think it'll take us like 15 or 20 minutes. 15-20? No, it'll take us like 30 minutes to go on the top. But साथ में चलते हैं and let's see how it is. इतना हम लोग चढ़ के आए हैं वहाँ से यहाँ तक, एंड इतना चढ़ना बाकी है अभी पीछे. आई डोंट नो दिख रहा है या नहीं दिख रहा है, बट इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे टू द टॉप. रीमा हैड द बेस्ट आइडिया ऑफ टेकिंग द ग्रास रूट इंस्टेड ऑफ द staircase route. How's the strategy working?
Better.
Better than
I
before,
would have
right?
felt much tired if I took the stairs.
हाँ, थोड़ा ज़्यादा steep है ये. Let's just carefully maneuver it. Oh.
तू तो नहीं गिरा? यहाँ पे है अच्छे वो.
Careful. Oh, give us a wave. Awesome. And I think now is the right time that we are finally at the halfway point. I think I thought 3 times that we are at the halfway point, but this is the first time I believe that we are at the halfway point. Midway? Is that the right way to say it? Midway? Okay, यहाँ से is the real test. We are at the foot of the Hercules monument. The Hercules monument is right there, and there are like around 600 steps that we need to climb to reach there. Let's get started. So जैसे ही आप चढ़ना start करते हो, you immediately realize how tall this monument is, how high you have to climb. It's approximately 526 meters, जो bottom से top तक है, at the top of the Hercules monument. It is a very elaborate structure और बहुत मज़ा आता है चढ़ने में, but you really need to be in the best of health to climb till the top. What's also very interesting is that ये city जो है बर्लिन से सिर्फ 2 घंटे दूर है, और it can be easily covered if you have some time in the city, you know. So if you have 2 or 3 hours, you can definitely go and visit this beautiful monument and have some amazing views from the top of the mountain. तो अगर कोई travel कर रहा है बर्लिन, don't miss this one. मैंने थोड़ा सा अंडरएस्टिमेट किया था कि कितना ऊंचा है. I thought that it'll be much easier to climb, but the great thing that why we really wanted to see this is यहाँ पे there is this natural aqueduct system. So ये जो बीच में दिख रहा है पूरा, these small pools of water that you see, और उसके ऊपर ये जो पूरी नदी जैसी आ रही है, there is a small waterfall that's happening there. Hopefully we'll get to see it. और वहाँ से the water flows down, and it's all managed by gravity. So these are like really old pumps. Annoying part ये है कि my battery is running ridiculously low right now, which is very annoying. So I just have like 7% battery left. तो नेक्स्ट वाला जो शॉट है सीधा हरक्यूलिस के पास जाके. He's still way up high. I don't think I can reach him. But we're close. We are close. Finally हम लोग सर के पास पहुंच गए. That is Mr. Hercules on the top there. It was a massive climb, man. It is really not a joke climbing this far. इतना ऊपर है ये. So we came all the way from that point up till here. और यहाँ पे पूरा आपको Castle City का आगे view दिख रहा है. So it is definitely one of the more beautiful places that we have seen.
I think this is a very good spot for all those people who are looking for a vacation. Well, वैसे September end हो रहा है, ठंडी बहुत जल्द आने वाली है. But I think this is a really good place to come from, you know, nearby cities. और काफ़ी enjoyable रहा है अभी तक तो. Very good view. I think it's really good.
ये सिटी भी it's very empty. यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट कोई भी नहीं है. Usually यहाँ पे aqueducts में से पानी बहता है तो there is a proper show which is now closed. So of course there is not a lot of people who are coming here. But जो भी आ रहे हैं ऊपर तक चढ़ रहे हैं and they're enjoying it. And I think it was a good stop. So that was it for Castle. अब यहाँ से हम चल के बस we'll just catch a train and go over to our next destination, which is also coming up very soon. It's one of the most beautiful castles in Germany और बहुत famous भी है. It's called Neuschwanstein Castle. So we'll be putting up a video for that very very soon. So stay tuned for all of that. And जाते जाते please subscribe to this channel and we will see you very very soon.